इस वजह से मैं लोगों में बैठने के लिए भी थोड़ा शर्माता हूँ।
तो आपका प्रीवियस ट्रांसप्लांट जो किया हुआ है, हेयर लाइन बिल्कुल ही अननेचुरल दिख रहा है, स्ट्रेट है। ट्रायंगल्स भी बनाने की कोशिश की है बट बहुत ही अननेचुरल दिख रहा है, स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट सा, और बाल खड़े खड़े से है ना।
ये सर, वो पूरा एंगल ही बहुत खराब दिखता है।
पीछे भी खालीपन है पूरा, है ना।
ये सर,
अननेचुरल दिख रहा है तो इससे आपको परेशानी है।
मैं लोगों में बैठने के लिए भी थोड़ा शर्माता हूँ।
बाल नहीं लगाए होते तब तो नेचुरली दिखता है,
फिर भी चल जाता था, ऐसा लगता था। कभी
हाँ।
कभी लगता था कि नहीं लगाता था तो चलता था।
A wrong hair transplant is which does not improve your aesthetic facial value. It becomes noticeable and very unnatural. So today we have a client who had done transplant before at some other center with very unnatural results. So you had a previous transplant and it was looking very unnatural, straight hairs were there.
Yes sir.
90-degree going up with multiple hair grafts in frontal area.
Yes sir.
With straight line and temporal triangles going straight down and coming out, like side hairs were coming out.
Yes.
And the density was very low.
Very good.
And total area was not covered.
जब भी मैं कोम करता हूँ तो वो खड़े रह जाते हैं,
सेट नहीं होते,
सेट नहीं होते। ये साइड से भी खराब है और ये आगे के भी सब ऐसे दिखने लग जाते हैं।
The major problem with these type of patients and outcome is the first and most important is the selection of the surgeon itself. If you select experienced and qualified surgeon, these chances of the unnatural transplant results are very less. So if you check the previous results, they are coming best, and consistently surgeon is performing good results, giving good results since long years, like 7 years, 10 years, then there are high chances that your results will also come good. So what we did a natural designing of front hairline, removed unnaturally placed corner hair with unnatural direction were removed, and we did a frontal widow's peak, side temporal triangle, and high density transplant and front, covering mid scalp as well as vertex.
I have a wrong transplant before. Now I am very happy correction my hair in MBBS.
We did a combination of FUT and FUE from back of the scalp as well as beard. So more number of grafts were planted in one day with very natural design. But if you are saying that previous results are not consistent, or you don't even know the name of the surgeon who is going to operate on you, and there is a technical team who is going to operate you, not the surgeon himself, then there is high chances that your hair transplant might go wrong. So to avoid it, first we have to see the qualification of the surgeon, whether he is a qualified MBBS, MS, MCh Plastic Surgeon, or just graduate like a degree from MBBS or from dentistry, or his dermatologist, or either he doesn't have any type of qualification, just a hair transplant specialist. There is no certified qualification. So these type of doctors might go wrong with you with implantation extraction techniques. The second and most important thing is the experience of the surgeons. Looks का बहुत importance है, क्योंकि अगर frontal looks अच्छे होंगे तभी जाके अपने को personality मिलती है जो कैमरे पे सूट करे. So you check how experienced is the surgeon, 5 years, 7 years or 10 years or 15 years. So you could expect good results only if the long consistent results are already being delivered by the surgeon himself. Mostly when we see a doctor, we ask for which technique and how much pricing is there, isn't it?
Yes sir.
So people are literally confused that which technique is best, what to adopt, either combination of FUT, FUE or just FUE will suffice. So most importantly, when we are looking for a bigger surface area to cover like front, mid scalp and vertex, we should opt for a combination technique of FUT and FUE. And sometimes body hair like beard also, because we need huge and large number of grafts to be covered in that area. In patients like in which the frontal area is empty and back is still covered and they are still young, they might need more grafts in future. In these patients also, we plan for a combination in the initial stages to preserve the donor for future utilization. So we opted for a combination technique of strip and FUE. So the advantage was there was minimal damage rate in the strip surgery, more harvest, as well as we extract FUE by travel-in system. There is less damage travel-in system also, and we restrict to the safe area harvest.
Yes.
So more grafts were harvested and less donor disturbed. Then comes the artistic sense of the surgeon, which is the key factor for determining a natural hairline. So natural hairline is a proportionate frontal face hairline with temporal triangles and widow's peak and proper shape of hairline, plus the angle, direction and pattern of distribution of hair is important. The front hairline is generally consists of single hair grafts with proper angulation and a zigzag pattern.
Yes.
So how was the overall procedure, like pain?
No any pain. No.
And was it comfortable throughout the
Yes,
day?
very comfortable.
So it's very important to avoid complications like pain and discomfort, bleeding. So a surgeon should be well qualified and trained to handle all these type of complications. With natural hairline design, we expect a very natural results.
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the overall
Very
surgery?
satisfied, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, very much. Thank you, Dr. Sue, sir.